Hi.
How are you?
All right.
Is that recording right now?
Yeah.
Oh.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
You must be Courtney.
Yes. Nice to
All
meet
right.
you.
Nice meeting you.
I really appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
Sorry, I just kind of like woke up, so.
That's okay. Sorry we're late.
Oh, no, you're good.
Look at that snowman. Who
Yeah,
built that? What?
I told her we may have to destroy it in case the ring's
Oh,
in there.
well,
Yeah.
let's hope we don't have
Yeah.
to.
So,
Well, you can build another one.
For sure.
So tell me the story about your ring.
Okay, yeah. So we were out here, and the ring was a little bit loose on my finger anyway, but we were throwing snowballs around, and I think it's like over in this area, because I was like standing like right here.
Okay.
And yeah.
And so you threw it there. Did you? It's kind of. Well, is that where the snowman was made? Why there's no snow, or
Well,
you kind of traipsed through it?
Yeah, we were trying to look for it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're here, and you threw a snowball that way, and did you feel it go off your hand?
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Okay.
Kind of saw it.
And then was a snowman made afterwards?
Yeah,
or?
that was afterwards.
Okay. There's a possibility it's in there. All right. So is it a engagement ring? Is it? You remember what kind of metal it's made out of?
It's gold plated. I think it might be silver.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it small, medium, large as
It's-
far as the thickness of the band?
It's pretty small. I have a picture actually. Let me go get
Oh,
my
okay.
phone. It's also pink. So.
All righty. What's your name? Layla? Well, that's a pretty cute nose on that snowman, or is that an ear? Oh, yeah? Cool.
Let's see that.
Okay. All righty. Well, it's very pretty.
Thank you.
You want
I
it
did
back,
good.
don't you?
I do.
I'm going to start here. Did you throw very? Can you throw very far?
My fiance says probably not.
Okay.
But I don't know.
Kind of in the center there, where the.
I think, but then again, I'm afraid that whenever we were kicking the snow around, it like could have relocated.
Okay. All right.
So,
Well, I will start right here where the snow's gone.
yeah, my dad, he got a metal detector from Walmart, and well, it didn't really work.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so I'm
Yeah.
like, I googled metal detector experts near me.
Oh yeah.
And that's whenever that website popped up.
Oh, the ringfinders.com.
Yeah, I think it's really nice, like what you guys do for people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. Whenever we find them, probably 75% of the time I find them. So,
Awesome.
and since you actually know you threw it and it came off, it's a great chance we're going to find this ring.
Great.
So, awesome. Now it might beep because to find your ring I have to find trash,
Yeah.
and so gum wrappers and stuff like that. So it might beep. So
Yeah.
don't get too excited.
Okay.
So, So I left a little metal detector at home. It's called a pin pointer that I can get in here and search around, but we're doing it the old-fashioned way here.
Yeah.
just a piece of trash down there.
Yeah, I ended up finding my e-cigarette that I had been missing for like 4 months.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There's a nickel.
Oh.
You're get a few more of those. You're welcome. Oh, I missed my pinpointer. Lost his head.
Yeah, I better grab the nose before the nose breaks. Anyway.
Okay, I'm sorry about that.
It's okay.
It was leaning over. So are you left-handed? Was
I
it-
had 2 snowballs, both hands, but I'm right-handed.
Okay.
Yeah. I was like, I had 2 of them, and I was like, yeah.
Oh, okay. Was it on your left hand? Okay.
The throw probably wasn't really crazy.
Okay. That's spooky.
Yeah. A lot of dogs.
I found another quarter for you. Right there.
Oh, I see it. That's Courtney's ring.
What?
What? You found it? Oh my god! Yay! Right. Where
You're
was
welcome.
it?
It was,
Whoa! Totally not where I thought it was.
let's see, right around in here.
Wow. Yeah, I cannot throw.
Well, reason I ask you is sometimes when you throw across your body, and so it would have came out here.
What happened? Oh my gosh! Thank you so
You're welcome.
much.
I was getting a beep inside your snowman, but I thought I'll check the rest of the yard before we tear it apart.
Here you go.
Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
Of course, thank you. Thank you.
Wow, it's really pretty.
Yeah. I love it. He did good.
Wow, I love the color of that. I want you to keep that, and I want you guys to go out to a nice dinner tonight.
Oh, really? Are
Yeah.
you sure? Well, at least
No,
take,
no,
like,
no.
Are you? I really appreciate it.
Yeah, no
That's
problem.
really nice.
You're really pretty.
Thank you. Yeah, we didn't even look in that spot at all.
Oh.
We were like over in here, over there. Wow.
That's a really nice picture of you.
Aw, I like it. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll send them to you. And then And then I need one other ring, just like we've set it here on
Yeah.
right there. That'll be good.
Yeah.
And then this will go on the ringfinders.com.
Cool.
And then, is it okay
Yeah.
if she's in the video?
Of course, yeah.
You won't?
Do you want to be in the video?
Okay.
You want to be on YouTube? Maybe you can use your phone too.
Yeah.
I only have an iPhone 6S, so it's not the greatest.
Oh, look at that! Ice on ice. Yeah, I've never seen one like it. It's just unique.
Yeah, I love it so much. I didn't want anything really too traditional, so
Yeah, she's doing a fairy.
yeah, you're like enchanted forest vibe. My dress is gonna be purple.
Oh yeah.
Wedding videos.
Huh? Oh yeah, I've been watching so many wedding videos lately.
I don't even know where my wedding video is. It was back before you were born, probably. You'll see, it was 92.
That's the year I was born, actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it.
Nice meeting you.